and welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today we are reviewing another balloon garland kit from Shut. I love their balloon garland kits because they are extremely easy to make. They are very fast to make and they look just as beautiful as any other balloon garland kit. So today we are reviewing, it's a boy or baby boy baby shower balloon garland kit. Very cute. Stay with me if you want to see what is happening, and without any further ado, let's go. Here is the package that I received in the mail, so let's open this up. First things first, of course, it's a balloon garland strip, a balloon tying tool, very, very handy to have. Silver balloons, blue and white balloons. Looks like these are 12-inch balloons and these are 5-inch balloons. Let's see, what else do we have? We have glue dots. This is probably a baby boy balloons in silver. And looks like these are 12-inch balloons as well. So let's make this balloon garland. One thing that I forgot to mention, you guys, they do include this card in every kit that you purchase, and this card over here will give you 10% off of your next order. You just need to follow instructions, and if you like Shut's kits, you can get a 10% off of your next purchase. Yay! Alrighty guys, so first things first, of course, I'm whipping out my electric balloon pump. That's the only extra thing that you would need for this kit. Everything is around me, every single balloon is here, the balloon tying tool. This thing is amazing. I did one of the balloon garlands and I forgot to have or bring with me this tying tool, and my fingers were hurting. So I am starting to blow all of the balloons up, and then I'll scoot you closer and I'll show you how I use my balloon garland strip. So let's go. Headphones. MasterChef. Who else loves MasterChef? Tell me in the comment section below, tell me what is your favorite season and who's your favorite cook. If you are a fan of MasterChef, let me know. You guys, I am blowing these balloons, all of the balloons individually, and I'm tying them individually. Usually I do blow my balloons in pairs and clusters, tying them together, making clusters and pairs, and then I construct my balloon garland. Just because we are using our balloon garland strip, it's kind of impossible to use clusters on the balloon garland strip. So if you're using balloon garland strip, blow your balloons individually and you're going to construct your balloon garland with individual balloons. So let's do it. Okay, now I am blowing, it's baby boy balloons. They do come with this straw that you need to blow your balloons with. So very easy, nothing too complicated. You just take the straw, find the spot where you need to insert your straw right here. You insert your straw and start blowing by mouth. It's not a big balloon, and it's definitely doable by mouth. Okay, ready? Let's construct our balloon garland. To construct this balloon garland with the strip is extremely easy. First hole, take your first balloon, put your balloon through this hole, and then make sure your knot is through that hole, and that's it. That's all you do. I'm gonna stay with you throughout the whole video, and I'm gonna tell you if I skipped any holes or I didn't skip any holes, so stay with me and listen closely. Okay, I'm taking a white 5-inch balloon, going right in the next hole, not skipping any holes. These holes are really close together, so I'm going again in my next hole, not skipping any, going with the 5-inch balloon again, not skipping any holes right now. Let's go with the white one. Okay, let me skip one hole here just to avoid this clustering of balloons. Again, I'm gonna skip one hole just to give this balloon some space to kind of spread evenly. Then I'm gonna take my silver balloon and I'm going to skip 2 holes and insert my balloon into a 3rd hole. Okay, looking good so far. Let's go back to 5-inch balloons. I'm going to skip 1 hole from that silver back to blue 5-inch balloon. So I'm going to skip 1 hole again, and then again I'm going to skip 1 hole. Skipping 1 hole. I'm not twisting my balloon strip. I am not. Okay, this time I think I want to skip 2 holes. I'm going to skip 1 hole again. I'm going to go for the white balloon, and I'm gonna skip 3 holes and then insert my balloon into a 4th hole. Okay. I'm gonna skip 2 holes. I'm gonna skip 2 holes again. And then now I'm skipping 2 holes at a time. I'm not twisting my strip. Again, I skipped 2 holes. I want to skip 3 holes and insert my balloon to a 4th one. Skipping 2 holes. 2 holes again. Skipping 2 holes again. I know it's kind of annoying, but I want you to really get this, how I'm doing this, because I have a lot of questions. Okay, I'm skipping 1 hole this time. and I'm not twisting my balloon strip. I'm skipping one hole again. Grabbing my silver balloon, skipping one hole. Why did I start skipping 4 holes and then 1 hole? Because right here in the beginning, it's kind of a little bit crowded, and I wanted to give my balloons a little more room to breathe and spread out. So now I'm skipping 1 hole again. 2 holes because it's getting crowded over here. Two holes again. Or you know what? Yeah, 2 holes is good. Or one is fine. 1 hole. 2 holes. I see a pattern here. I'm doing like 1 1 2 1 1 2. So try that. I hope you've got the whole concept of this, so I don't have to tell you 1 2 1 2. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be annoying. Alright, so my balloon garland is ready. It was very super fast and very easy to make. So now what I'm doing, I'm taking my fishing line. It can be any size fishing line, 25, 10, whatever. And then I'm taking my extra fishing line, piece of it, cutting a piece of fishing line, wrapping around my balloon garland, and then I already have safety pins pinned all over my backdrop. I'm taking that wrapped fishing line and going to my safety pin and tying my garland with that fishing line, or fishing line with that garland, to my safety pin. That's all you need to do. If you don't have any backdrop or any fabric and you need something else to hang your garland on, then use command hooks, literally like ½ pound command hook. They are really tiny ones, like clear ones for keys, to hang your keys. That's what the packaging advertised. We used those command hooks, ½ pound command hooks, on a bigger, much larger balloon garland, and it held that balloon garland like there was no tomorrow. Kids were pulling on that garland and it was holding up very nice. So let's take care of this balloon garland, and I have a few balloons laying around that I didn't want to include in this garland, and we will fill in spaces with them. So let's go. This is how I'm going to hang my balloon garland. I like it. It's unusual, not kind of like straight bam, I'm right there, but it does have a curve. So now, you guys, we have this baby boy letters that we need to kind of hang and see where it's going to work. So what I'm thinking, I want to do something like this. I'm taking my glue dots, you guys, and I am putting glue dots on my silver balloons. Keep in mind, foil balloons don't let you put glue dots that easily. You have to put it on and kind of scratch it, and then your glue dot will grab on to the foil balloon, and you can glue foil balloons to the garland. So let me find my glue dots. They're over here, and let's put them on. Now this part is on, so let's put or fill in spaces with the leftover balloons. what I have for you guys today. Look how cute. It was very easy and very fast to make this balloon garland. I love these kits for that as well. I like the quality of these balloons. It was very nice to work with them, very easy to tie knots on. They are soft and just pleasant to work with. I did make a mistake with my baby boy balloons. Throughout the video, you saw me like kind of straighten them and go back and forth and kind of trying to fix them so they will be straight. I glued them way ahead of time. You guys, first of all, fill in spaces with your extra balloons on your balloon garland, and then go ahead and attach your baby boy. I did the opposite. I did my baby boy balloons first, and then I filled in spaces. And whenever I was putting extra balloons somewhere close to my wording, the words were getting crooked and I would have to constantly fix them. So fill in spaces and then put the baby boy words. I like that there's enough glue dots in this kit. I still have a bunch left. I like these silver balloons. They are very, very metallic and looking really, really cute. I did cut an extra balloon strip over here. I have a long piece left, so you can always keep it and reuse it for your next party. And yeah, you guys, overall, very cute, very nice kit. I will link this kit in the description under the video, and I will share a few pictures at the end of this video as well. Alrighty guys, so let me know in the comment section below what you think about this balloon garland. I like the quality of these balloons. The price for these kits are very reasonable and, in my opinion, affordable. Everything comes in one kit. You don't have to worry about anything extra to buy. So pretty good kit. So you guys, if you have any questions, comment down below in the comment section and I will be there to help you out and answer any questions you have. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos. Everything that I used or the kit that I used will be listed in the description under the video. So go ahead and check it out. I hope you have a wonderful day. And you guys, I will see you back very soon. Bye!